when we were kind of in the middle of talking about the potential things we wanted to do with this guitar, I wanted to see if any companies would be interested to reach out and sponsor this video to provide some of the hardware. And coincidentally, Guyker reached out to me to potentially sponsor a video, so I asked if we could check out their locking tuners to feature in this mod project. And they very graciously said yes, so here we've got their black locking tuners that we'll be putting onto this guitar. So obviously this is a reverse headstock guitar, so I've got 6 of the left-handed locking tuners. But you should definitely check out their website because they've got a whole bunch of different options, not just tuners, and they come in a whole large variety of different colors. So we chose black for this project because we're doing basically a hardware switch from chrome to black. You can get things like anodized blue with gold accents or anodized red, burnt chrome, but again, for the purposes of this build, we just wanted the black ones. The guitar's done! I'm really happy with the way this guitar looks. I've been kind of just looking at this guitar and playing with it for like the past day. And like, even for just having it for just a day, I feel like just looking at it, I feel like it always felt like it should have looked like this.